Today you're going to be working on Activity 5.5 CAD Model Features, and some of the tools you're going to be using are right here. We're going to sketch this shape out. It doesn't matter the size. You just need to use the line tool to create 3 sides. Use the rectangle tool to create this rectangle. Use the circle tool to create 2 circles. And then we're going to click on construction line, which is this button right here. And the construction line, click on line, and then the construction line is not an actual line like what you see here. You see it's a dotted yellow line with this green lines being the actual lines. But what it allows us to do is to mirror. We use the mirror tool right here, and we want to select all of this, and the mirror line that we're going to use is this dotted construction line, and we'll hit apply, and you can see it mirrored everything left and right to us. Hit done, and there it is. Then you can finish sketch and save that. The next thing it wants us to do is to create well, we're actually going to create this part right here, but I'm going to show you how to mirror this real quick. So once you have this part drawn right here to these dimensions, we'll finish the sketch, and it calls for I don't know how far it doesn't really say how wide it needs to be for thickness. I guess we could do 0.75 on the extrude. So this, we'll change that right there to 0.75. We'll hit OK. And then we need to apply a hole. Click on the hole tool, and we'll click right there. And it wants to have a 0.375 diameter hole. So right here, we'll type in 0.375, and we want it to go all the way through like it is. We'll hit OK. And we're also going to use a fillet, and a fillet is a welding term that wants to have a radius of 0.25 or 1/4 of an inch. So we'll change this here to 0.25, and we'll fillet this corner, and this corner. And looks okay, so we'll hit apply, and then we can close that there. So we have our fillets, and again, a fillet is a welding term that they use. And then it wants us to mirror this, and I'll show you how to do that. To mirror, when you have the part already, I'm going to rotate around. I'm going to click on mirror, and it wants to know what feature we're going to use. Well, we can click on the extrusion, the hole, and the fillets. So make sure you highlight those things. It wants to know what the mirror plane is. The mirror plane is going to be this face right there, and we can see it shows up in green. We'll hit OK, and there's our mirrored part. If you have any questions on that, let me know. Save that for later. The next one is similar. It gives you the dimensions, and basically you're going to kind of mirror this to the other side of this line right here. So if you need help sketching this out, let me know. And then you're also going to mirror top and bottom. So if you have questions on that, let me know. Then the last thing here that we will get to in another video, and I'll show you how to do a taper extrusion.